A species vanished for millions of years, yet it's swimming in our oceans today, and number one is something almost nobody guesses. Stay tuned as we count down the 10 ancient survivors that have returned. Imagine a fish that vanished from the fossil record 66 million years ago, only to be caught alive by a fisherman in 1938, the Coelacanth. This lobe-finned relic looks like something out of a prehistoric illustration, with its paired fins moving like tiny wings. Researchers believe its slow metabolism and deep-water habitat helped it evade extinction during the mass die-off that wiped out the dinosaurs. Modern coelacanths live near volcanic ridges, feeding on small fish and squid, and their genome offers clues about the transition of vertebrates from water to land. While scientists continue to study its unique biology, the story doesn't end here. The next creature shows that ancient plants can also make a dramatic comeback.
Surprisingly, the fan-shaped leaves of the ginkgo tree have been fluttering over city streets for over 200 million years, surviving the age of dinosaurs and the rise of modern skyscrapers. Often called a living fossil, the ginkgo was thought extinct until a single specimen was found in China in the 18th century, sparking worldwide cultivation. Its resilience comes from a remarkable ability to tolerate pollution, radiation, and even urban soil compaction. Today, ginkgos line avenues worldwide, their golden autumn foliage a reminder of an ancient lineage. While the tree's medicinal extracts are studied for their antioxidant properties, the next entry on our list reveals an animal that has been hiding beneath the sand for eons.
Hidden in muddy coastal flats, the horseshoe crab has survived 4 mass extinctions, bearing a shell that's remained virtually unchanged for 450 million years. Its blue blood contains a special compound called Limulus amebocyte lysate, which scientists use to test medical equipment for bacterial contamination, a modern lifeline rooted in an ancient creature. Despite being harvested for bait and biomedical purposes, populations have declined, prompting conservation efforts that blend ancient biology with contemporary science. The next marvel on our countdown is a marine invertebrate, whose spiral shell has puzzled paleontologists for centuries.
Few people know that the Nautilus, a cephalopod with a perfectly proportioned chambered shell, has been cruising the Indo-Pacific depths for roughly 500 million years. Its buoyancy system, based on gas-filled chambers, allowed it to hover effortlessly while hunting small fish and crustaceans. Fossil records show the Nautilus unchanged since the time of trilobites, making it a living snapshot of early marine life. Modern Nautilus populations face pressure from the ornamental shell trade, yet they continue to thrive in deep, cold waters. Up next, an ancient plant that survived the ice ages and is still thriving in remote valleys.
Deep beneath the rugged cliffs of Wollemi National Park, a small grove of Wollemi pines was discovered in 1994, hidden for an estimated 200 million years. This conifer, once known only from fossilized remains, sports a distinctive bark that resembles dinosaur skin. Its survival is attributed to the isolated, fire-protected valleys that shielded it from climate shifts and human activity. Botanists propagate the species worldwide to safeguard its genetic legacy, yet wild individuals remain critically rare. While we marvel at its endurance, the next entry is an aquatic marvel that resurfaced after an 80 million year disappearance.
Unbelievable as it may sound, lungfish can gulp air directly into a primitive lung, allowing them to survive in oxygen-poor waters that would kill most fish. These living fossils date back to the Devonian period, about 400 million years ago, and have endured multiple mass extinctions. During dry seasons, they burrow into mud and enter a state of estivation, secreting a mucus cocoon that can last months until rains return. Their unique physiology offers insights into the evolution of vertebrate lungs. While they remain a curiosity in African and Australian rivers, the next creature on our list showcases a microscopic resilience that defies even the harshest environments.
Remarkably tiny yet incredibly robust, tardigrades, also called water bears, have survived for over 500 million years, enduring the vacuum of space, extreme radiation, and temperatures from near absolute zero to over 150 degrees Celsius. These 8-legged microanimals enter a cryptobiotic state, retracting their limbs and replacing water with a sugar called trehalose, effectively pausing metabolism. When conditions improve, they rehydrate and resume life as if nothing happened. Their DNA repair mechanisms are a hot topic in astrobiology, suggesting possibilities for life beyond Earth. As we marvel at their resilience, the countdown narrows to the top 3, beginning with a marine predator that vanished 66 million years ago and has now resurfaced.
Deep beneath the twilight zone of the ocean, a second species of coelacanth, Latimeria chalumnae, was discovered off the coast of Indonesia in 1997, confirming that the first find was not an isolated miracle. This lineage diverged from its African cousin around 30 million years ago, yet both retain the iconic three-lobed tail and limb-like fins. Genetic studies suggest these fish have an exceptionally slow rate of evolution, preserving ancient traits while adapting to modern deep-sea pressures. Their discovery reshaped our understanding of vertebrate survival and sparked renewed interest in marine living fossils. Up next, the number 2 comeback is a plant that has outlived the dinosaurs and still shades our parks today.
Finally, the ginkgo tree stands as perhaps the most iconic living fossil, its fan-shaped leaves turning brilliant gold each autumn across cities worldwide. Fossilized ginkgo leaves appear in strata dating back to the Jurassic, yet the species survived the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction that erased the dinosaurs. Its remarkable tolerance to urban pollutants, soil compaction, and even radiation made it a favorite for planting after the atomic bombings in Hiroshima. Today, ginkgos are celebrated not only for their beauty, but also for their medicinal compounds, though research continues to assess their health benefits. As we approach the pinnacle of our list, the ultimate survivor is a creature that bridges the gap between ancient oceans and modern seas.
Hidden in the dark depths, the coelacanth remains the crown jewel of living fossils, a fish that disappeared from the fossil record for 66 million years and reappeared to the astonishment of the scientific world. Its fleshy, lobed fins move like underwater limbs, hinting at the evolutionary steps that led to terrestrial vertebrates. Researchers believe its deep-sea habitat, low metabolism, and ability to survive in low-oxygen environments helped it evade the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. Modern studies of its genome are shedding light on vertebrate evolution and the mechanisms of longevity. The coelacanth story reminds us that Earth still holds secrets from ages past, waiting to be rediscovered.
These 10 ancient species prove that nature can surprise us even after eons of apparent disappearance, reminding us how resilient life truly is. If you enjoyed uncovering these living fossils, hit like and subscribe so you won't miss our next mind-blowing list, new discoveries every week. Which reappearance blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.